Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Hosuru location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We'll discuss one by one in detail. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Himawasini Hyundai. They are looking for front desk receptionist. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. Experienced and interested person can only apply only for female candidates. This is only for female candidates. And if you see the duties and administrative duties, you have to take notes and dictation. You should handle billing, accounts, inventory. You should maintain files and records. You should schedule appointments. You should take care of vendor management, and you should sort out and send emails. You should answer and routing phone calls. You should manage social media. You should greet visitors. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7373053555. Next, there is a job openings for Swami Feeds Private Limited. They are looking for data entry operator position. Salary offered minimum 1,20,000 to up to 1,50,000 per annum. Candidates need to stay inside the campus and free accommodation will be provided. You should have knowledge of on Tally, MS Office, and preferably ERP. You should know two-wheeler driving, and you should have a two-wheeler as well with you, and BCom MBA finance graduates are favorable. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9345889999. Firstly, there is a job openings for Himawasini Hyundai. They are looking for front desk receptionist. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. Experienced and interested person can only apply only for female candidates. This is only for female candidates. And if you see the duties and administrative duties, you have to take notes and dictation. You should handle billing, accounts, inventory. You should maintain files and records. You should schedule appointments. You should take care of vendor management, and you should sort out and send emails. You should answer and routing phone calls. You should manage social media. You should greet visitors. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7373053555. Next, there is a job openings for Hedisa India Diamond Tools Private Limited. They are looking for marketing executive position. Salary offered up to 20,000 a month, and this is a category under sales and marketing. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7339555339. Next, there is a job openings for quality inspector for the organization Omnex India. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 17,000 a month. Minimum qualification is diploma or BE in electrical and electronics engineering. Minimum 2 to 4 years of experience is required. And if you see, you should have knowledge in electrical parts inspection. You should have knowledge in schematic study. You should have knowledge of vehicle functional testing and electrical part testing. So these are all the responsibilities. You can go through it. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7550077343. Next, there is a job opening for sales and marketing executive. Only freshers are eligible for the job role for the organization Binkyard Infotech. And if we go through the responsibilities, you should identify new sales leads. You should pitch financial guru services to startup and SMEs. You should maintain fruitful relationships with existing customers. You should map startups in Bangalore. You should contact potential clients via email, phone to establish rapport and set up meetings. You should plan and oversee new marketing initiatives. You should attend conferences, meetings, and industry events. You should prepare PowerPoint presentations and sales displays. You should develop quotes and proposals. You should negotiate and renegotiate by phone, email, and in person. You should develop sales goals for the team and ensure they are met. You should make cold calls. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Salary details not disclosed here. Email ID is hr@binkyardinfotech@com. Okay, you can go through it and you can share your resume. Next, there is a job openings for Himawasni Hyundai. They are looking for telecaller position. Salary offered minimum 15,000 a month. Experienced and interested persons can apply. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7373053555. Next, there is a job openings for Himawasni Hyundai. They are looking for service technician. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7373053555. Next, there is a job openings for Swati Group of Schools located in Hosuru. They are looking for PGT biology teacher. They wanted a dedicated teacher for handling botany, zoology for higher secondary classes. Residential teachers are preferred. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9952058187. Next, there is a job openings for Mark Solutions Private Limited. They are hiring for BPO voice process. Salary offered for a fresher, minimum 7,000 a month. There is your address details, direct walk-in address is provided here. You can check with that. And you can see BPO voice process, call center, telecalling, BPO job, KPO, customer supportive agents or executive. Levels of vacancies going on. And you can see languages they are hiring for is Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam. Age should be between above 18 years and below 31 years. Freshers also welcome. 2015 to 2020 passed outs and 2021 batch exam cleared means you can also eligible for this job. For minimum qualification is any degree or degree discontinued or +2 or diploma. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. For further information, you can contact on the given phone numbers. Phone numbers are 8610841781 and 8807755992. Next, there is a job openings for Ashwa Groups. They are looking for telecaller position. Role will be telecaller. Domain is under manufacturing industries. If you see the experience required, minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required. You should have a good communication skills and only male candidates are eligible for the job role. Only male candidates can be applied. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Email ID is hr@ashwagroups.com. hr@ashwagroups.com. Next, there is a job openings for Ashwini Electronics. This is located in Electronic City, Bangalore, Karnataka, and it is near to Hosuru. You can see the aim is to maximize profits through developing sales strategies that match customer requirements and by promoting products, services, or ideas. This is the job role for telemarketing executive. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9902027014. Next, there is a job opening for Brightline Academy for a telemarketing executive. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. If you go through it, Bright Learning Academy is about understanding people and building awareness about how their products, services can satisfy their needs. They are looking for an experienced or fresher and versatile marketing manager who is hungry to do this and more. And the ideal candidate should have experience in developing and executing marketing campaigns while managing or inspiring a team. He or she will be comfortable with the day-to-day marketing activities as well as long-term strategy, thriving with the tight deadlines and the changing needs. If you are a people person who loves the rewarding challenge of building a brand, we want to hear from you. So you can contact on the given phone number if this skill set matches for you. Contact number is 8618593996. Next, there is a job openings for Sinu Transport Private Limited. They are looking for system work executives. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 20,000 a month. Job location will be Bomansandra, Whitefield. They are looking for booking assistant, delivery clerk, unloading and unloading supervisor, payment collection executive, marketing executive, and accountant and billing executive. And they are also looking for driver with a heavy driving license. Minimum 5 years of experience is required. Minimum qualification is graduation. You should have a knowledge of like English, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Hindi, etc. That will be an advantage. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9382279096. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Hosuru location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Hosuru jobs, and share our channel with our friends and family members who are in need of job. It is really helpful for them. And please like our videos. If you have any questions or queries, let me know in comments. I'll be replying for that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.